All right, there's Squiggles. Hi, honey. Come here. It's a little bit dark in the house. Let me see. Let me turn on another light. Hey, you. What'd you find? And let's see. Where's somebody else? Do I have Squiggles? Oh, we found something to rub in. Oh, and there's Ziggy. Hi, sweetheart. How you doing? Oh, hi, Squigs. What'd you find? Oh, piece of yarn. So anyway, you can see the dark on Squiggles. Underneath, I think he's lighter. Let me get to him. Yeah, he's going to be lighter. He's not going to be that black color. He'll have the black points on his face, but on his body it's going to be a more of a real dark butterscotch, maybe. This is Mommy, totally uncombed, unbrushed, and everything. Phoebe! Phoebe! Hi! Oh, you look awful. I just literally walked in the door. So I haven't done anything to anybody. There's Mr. Ziggy again. Ziggs! How are you? Can you sit? No? Zig, sit. Good boy. Good boy.